everybody. This is the painting from video 471, the balloon smash. And I love the colors and the fine details. I think they're really cool. As a whole, though, it seems to need something. I have a friend, Chris, who beautifully alters his somewhat dry paintings by just putting in some fresh, brighter colors. And I'm not sure where I would do that, but I think, maybe just add some little bright spots. Because otherwise I really like it, but it needs something to go like kapow. So I think I will do that. So today I have mixed all my paints differently than I normally do. Let me get you up here. I mixed all of the paints today with Liquitex pouring medium. So the mix is paint, Liquitex pouring medium, and which is, I'm sure a lot of you know what it is, but oops, all right. Oh my gosh, these are heavy. So I have Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I still didn't measure though. I just did a couple. The pouring medium is in squeeze bottles, so I just added, I have it in one of these, so I just squeeze some. Usually, because pouring medium like that your paintings will dry a little glossier. My problem, not really a problem, is that I use so much white paint that for the quantity of white that I use, the cost of the pouring medium would probably break me. So, and because I would need so much for it to really show. So separated it from the big jar. And I added some in here. I don't know what percent, I don't know how much I added. So whether it's enough to really show a difference, I don't know. Hang on, I got a drink. But we'll see. So I've got Grumbacher Prussian Blue, Liquitex Basic Dioxazine Purple, Grumbacher Processed Magenta, and Artist Loft Deep Yellow, which also has my Artist Loft Iridescent Medium in it. So this has pouring medium, iridescent medium, paint, Floetrol, and water. So these should all be mixed pretty well because I just made them. I need to be at my parents' for it's the last night of Hanukkah. And I need to be there in like 35 minutes. So I came down here with plenty of time, but then I started mixing paints and like an hour and a half later. So, okay. Oops. So I'm just using 1 ounce. 1 ounce. 1 ounce should be good because I can always add more. And this is 14-inch MDF primed with Dutch Boy paint primer in one. I'm going to pour this one high so that it goes all the way through. That is a lot of color. Hopefully it's not all too dark. Let me cap these. Since I just mixed them, I want them to stay nice for at least a day before they start gunking up on me. But yeah, I mixed up a whole bunch of colors. I need to go to Michael's and get some more Payne's Gray though. And I marked on the back of this pouring medium so that I can tell if I notice a difference or not. And I know this is too much white. I just couldn't stop myself. Like a redonkulous amount of too much white. Let's see if any of it will pour back in here. No, I knew that wasn't going to work, right? Kind of release the suction. I'm gonna get more of this white off again. There's just too much. I'm gonna get it going again. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Oh, it's got all that broken up bits, which I don't know why that happens. So to remedy that, I'm going to torch and then soften. Now, whoops, I'm going to soften using the underside. That yellow just got eaten. Make my big swirl around. Now, I did stop using pouring medium because I was not liking the effects it gave. So, but I don't recall it making weird cells as part of it. So that may just be something else going on. I was gonna say, if there's enough paint on here, I should be able to just, it's all underneath my, oops. am not liking. Not at all. What's up? Even after I softened it, it's still really, really zigzaggedy. I'm gonna put some more yellow in because the yellow has gone bye-bye. Alrighty, this I like better. I think my problem is that I did just way too much color in general. Probably only should have used like 1/4 of a cup of color instead of, or 1/4 of an ounce instead of a full ounce. Debating just for more white space. I like this area, I like this. That one's kind of boring, so I think I went over to a girlfriend's house today who was going to help me. Like I was trying to plan all the food and stuff for my show in January. And so I feel much more confident about that. Normally I never ever ask for help for things, and it's kind of nice to have help. So I may just start asking for help all the time now. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's hard to ask for help though. You know, you want to be able to do it all on your own. Someday I'm going to invent like a paint guard for acrylic pouring. But as of yet, I have no idea how that would work. But I wish I could figure it out. Bringing it back to center it again. I really love the colors. Generally, you think of yellow and purple as turning to puke, but it works. See how purple cells popping up through the yellow. Don't necessarily want purple right there. Let's see. Let's try and find some clean white under here somewhere. Clean enough. Not as much purple in it. Well, I would say I am finished. Let me get the lid on the yellow. Move some stuff out of the way. That is really pretty. It's got interesting things for the eye to rest on. And there it is as a whole. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.